Did you know we stock the new wiring devices from CED? This full line of smart and elegant light switches, dimmers, sensors, and electrical plugs can be conveniently programmed in advance and controlled remotely. They can serve as standalone products or be an integral part of the Schneider Electric's connected home offer. Watch this short video that covers a few of the installation benefits, along with several links that will provide additional information on all these new innovative products from Schneider Electric and their lead brand, CED.